Excuse me. I don't want to be sad, but it's been nice. Whoa. Whoa. Where did that come from?
Watered down vodka cranberry. Like a vodka soda.
Thank you, B Maximus. Oh, that was a good one. So, what it is, you saw it on the ooh, you saw it on the ad. Anyways, I gotta burp. God, I think I have a problem. Oh, Jesus Christ, Madison. Oh, that was a good one. Sorry, y'all who don't like my burps. She, that was a big burp. Oh, that was a good one. You have to admit it.
The recipe, I mean, it's not that hard, but whatever. I'm pretty proud of myself.
See? I'm excited. I'm telling you. But I'm still excited. Yeah. I gotta burp, you guys.
Oh my God.
Because I realized, don't apologize ever for birthday.
What is wrong with me? Oh my God, that was amazing. Our intro. Just one more thing that I have to say. Thank you so much for watching. Oh, whew. But that's my kind of humor. Or whatever. Holy shit. That's one of the biggest burps I've burped ever. Y'all who like my burps are gonna really be happy about that. Crazy lady too. If you could have an exotic animal or farm and salt. Oh, it was yummy. Dance on our first date and expect it to be okay. Oh, by the way, y'all. Oh, that was a good one. Ooh, that was a big one. Okay, let's have another one of these. These.